You will always see it here.
That's obvious.
It is because of his experience. That's why he's saying that. Yeah, you will always see. You see the speed at which it's moving. The liter of water based on your rate now that it will take to that will be required on your field. Okay, I forgot to mention that it reduces your water usage by about 90%. If you are to spray, if you are to spray using boom sprayer, that's tractor mounted boom sprayer now, with 200 liters of water, automatically you are using 20 liters here per hectare. So it reduces your water usage also. So whatever is being done, you see it here, everything you are controlling here, except there's a technical issue. The pilot must be sane at all times. Like you must be in your right senses to fly. You understand? You don't drink and fly. You don't feel dizzy and fly. You don't feel sleepy and fly. You get that because it's an aerial mounted vehicle, an unmanned aerial vehicle. It flies just like plane, but we don't go beyond 120 meters. That's 480 feet. You get that? And the reason for that is there are aircraft that could come down as low as 480 feet. Like 400 feet, right? I think it's 400 feet. 400 feet, not 480. But 120 meters is equivalent of 400 feet. You get that? So anything could happen and they want to come down. So if you are very small, especially using this won't go more than 30 meters high. It has been programmed just for safety. But this one is very tiny. You see when it goes up now. Want to map here? Most times you won't even see it. So imagine it going as high as 120 meters. If you just enter the engine.
Question. So the small drone is only used for mapping.
Yeah, used for mapping. Geographical mapping. Let me explain.
Okay. So that means that since it's not used for mapping, the big one, there's nothing like cameras on it.
There's camera.
What happens is that like we have this crop here. So now if you want to detect pest infection, all those kind of
Disease,
things.
plant stress.
Okay.
So you get.
If
So instead of you going around your field, walking around to look at it one by one, when you fly this guy will show you your
take all the
field,
data.
seeds. So you get. So you detect the plant that are healthy, the ones that are not healthy. So you get, and you're able to do what you are right to do. So
That
it's also
one
a detect for crop position.
mapping is not the same as this one. That one is for flight. You get it? You want to spray here now, and you want to, instead of walking around, you want to quickly map the area. You get it?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's, you just fly across and then it will take
Not
it.
yet.
Yeah.
Another question. Sorry. In the spraying, do we factor wind into it? So that it's not that as we are spraying,
Yeah, we
the
have,
wind is taking it to
it
somewhere
has a
else.
specialized app
Okay.
that tells you weather forecast for 7 days, even a month. You get that? So, and the immediate, like, you compare it with your own, what you can also feel. Here we have high wind. So in cases of high wind, we don't fly. We hold on till everything subsides. You understand? Before we fly. So those are, and also on rainy days we don't fly. When it is raining, don't let me say on rainy days. When it is raining, we don't fly. Just let's say you're having an open view as big as everything you can see here. We just cover it with maybe tarpaulin or whatever, and you go and rest. So once it's, well, the advantage is that immediately after rain,